family, and welcome back to another vlog. Yes, we are vlogging again this week, and this video is gonna be a weekend vlog because it's already Friday night. The whole week since Monday I was like, you know, back to back busy with stuff, and I've already launched my small business selling mask strap for now. There's more to come. Okay, I've got like planned few other things to sell and to show you guys and share. This is what I can actually do. I seriously wanted to vlog this whole thing, like how I actually start, the first moment of everything. I really want to do it, but I felt like it's the first phase of everything, so I just didn't want to make it like, you know, clunkabut, like, you know, you go in front and you just don't know what to do. So that's why I feel like I will vlog this whole process, but not right now. It's, you know, you have to go like, you know, step by step and all. Yeah, I'm going to give a shout out to Nico because he's like the first person who added me in Lele because he watched my vlog. Duh. Anyways, Nico, thank you for your support, and make sure you like all my posts, alright? Anyways, this is my account. Go and follow, give some support and like my post as well. That's it. That small little thing that can actually help me a lot. Okay, and also thank you to everyone who supported me as well. Okay, thank you very much. I hope I'll get your support along the way. So this is my sticker. I really like how the way it turned out. It looks so beautiful, exactly how the way I wanted. So this is good. My thank you card, so I make it like a business card, and the front part is this Lele. And my thank you 2021. This apple green just struck my mind lah, you know. I just started to love green, apple green color. Like I feel like pastel green is on trend and I kind of like it, so that's why I choose this color. And finally, I got my wrapping sheets. I bought this from Balloon Bus, so now I know what is this wrapping paper called. It's called tissue sheets. So after this, it's so easy for me to just go and get it online. So today, nothing much, you know. Went to the gym in the morning.
Okay.
I had a good workout, and then since then my day is just like. And then after that, me and my mom, we went to One Utama, just go and lepak and have our lunch over there, just go and jalan-jalan and sambal petai kuih tiao. Look at the fishes. Zoom. Mommy and her chendol. Why you love chendol so much? Me, be a food vlogger. What do you think about the chendol?
Please lah. I don't like it. Kan? Kurang manis.
Yeah, it's not too sweet, just nice.
Of course lah, kurang manis. Gula dalam ais tak cair lagi.
Sing.
Lepas dia sedap lah. Ada dia punya orange taste dia.
This one, best in the world, must drink, they say. Calamansi asam boy. Wait.
That's my teacher.
What? huge. Thank God we ordered one in it, so you can share. So right now I just gonna I really don't know what to do now. Maybe I just watch drama, Korean drama maybe. Good morning! Today is Saturday and I woke up pretty early today. I showered and then I started with my paperwork. Now it's like 10:30. I'm still super hungry. It's time for me to do breakfast and eat something. I seriously don't know. I might just have like biscuits and coffee. That's it. I'm having my decaf coffee. Have this biscuit, some milky biscuit, and also this one. Just two. I kind of get used to my sewing machine. I thought let's just do my first ever project with this sewing machine, and I found this top that my mom got it for me. It's very damachi, and it's like it's a bit too long. So I just love the pattern in here because you have like a choker and then a very low neck. But I'm gonna cut this one slightly shorter, like a crop top. I'm just gonna wear and I'm gonna measure it roughly where I want to cut it. And then let's see whether it's going to be a successful project or not. I'm done for today with sewing. I've done a few things just now. Started with a normal, the first stop, and then my mom started giving me clothes like, can you do this? Can you alter this? Can you alter that? And I think it took me about 3 hours. Yeah, I started about 11 o'clock and now it's already 2:30 and we are hungry and we are going for a quick lunch. Let's go. So I just got back from lunch. We had cha fan and I totally forgot to bring my phone and also the camera, so I didn't vlog what we had just now. But it was a good cha fan, the mixed rice at Taman Mega. It's like 5 minutes away from my house. Yeah, and it was like raining ngam when we reached cha fan place. We stopped and it's like pouring heavily, you know. It was just nice lah. And then it's still raining anyways. But I'm like a bit afraid of the traffic because later on I'm meeting up with the girls. We're gonna have dinner and drinks. But I think the drinks venue is not confirmed yet. It's confirmed that we are not going to W because at first we wanted to go W, but then it got cancelled because we forget to do, Barney forget to reserve a place for us. Oh my god, and that place is like very popular and it's so difficult for you to get a place there. We are changing the venue for drinks, but dinner is still the same, Mary Jane. So it's gonna be my first time there. I don't know what to expect. I haven't even Googled or checked out the place. I'm gonna do it right now. Maybe you guys can do it together. Let's Google and check it out, the place. I assume, let's just check Instagram pictures. I prefer to go, if like I want to check places, I like for the address, of course I go Google, but then if I want to know like how nice is the place and what's not, I usually just go to Instagram. So yeah. Oh, very the flowery. Check this out. I don't know whether you guys can see. Yes, very flowery, very girly. Now it's 4:30. I'm just gonna chill and check out, play with my phone for a while because I was so busy just now. I didn't check my email, I didn't check anything, so I'm just gonna do it right now and then get ready. I'm like the earliest. I'm still waiting for the girls. But I'm still thinking whether I want to wait here at the car park or shall I just wait in the restaurant itself. I'm still undecided. Maybe I'm just going to message them and see. Anyways, yeah, this is my look. Very simple. As usual, this girl always simple. And yeah, this is the top. Later on, maybe I'll show you guys how my look. I cut this, make it a crop top. So maybe later you guys can see lah. I'm going to take a lot of pictures today. So stay tuned. I'm gonna do a wrap or a tortilla wrap. So this is what I'm having: gluten-free tortillas, leftovers tuna, and then we have this lactose-free cheese. Okay. And we have some salad. I wanted to add eggs as well. So what I'm gonna do now, tortilla, and just throw it here with, yep, just like this. So in the pan, add my cheese, and then focus, tuna, some salad, and I'm just gonna add salad again. Okay, tortilla. Now it's time to eat. Happy Sunday, y'all. I just have to shower, and yeah, I had a good brunch just now. It was so filling. Catching up with the girls last night. Oh, it was a good meetup. We talked about a lot of stuff, you know, catching up with each other's life, and of course we took a lot of pictures. Mary Jane's place was pretty good. It's very nice. They got two upstairs and downstairs. I prefer downstairs because it's very like dim light, and like the bar is there, very dim, and it's a bit tropical. Upstairs it's nice, but it's just bright and flowery, and it's very nice lah. Okay, I prefer downstairs though. Yeah, and Bawani booked the place. That's a good choice, Bawani. Bawani is the new Instagrammer now. We all went to Iron Ferries. It's nice. It's really nice. I love the interior. I don't know, I think like, you know, if like a clubbing scene like packed, it would be nicer to have that music and dancing, but we just can't do that. It's just like a normal restaurant where we're just like catching up. We can talk as loud as we want. Dead. Track is dead. You know, sometimes it's just sad to see people in the entertainment field. Pity them as well. You know, the band, you know, you think about it, like, I know everyone is affected, but entertainment people, like the clubs, the spas, and all this live band, how, you know. So yeah, today is just a lazy day. Nothing much. I just need to edit my video. Now I'm going to start editing. I'm going to transfer all the files, and I'm going to start editing. I really hope that tomorrow I can upload this video by 9 o'clock p.m. You know, by 9 o'clock p.m. I really want to upload the video, because I'm trying to make it like every Monday 9 p.m. boom, upload. So I'm gonna try to make it like consistent. I've been consistent, like every week I upload a video. It's just the timing problem. just the timing, like maybe 5 minutes late, 10 minutes late. Yeah, so yeah, I don't want to talk a lot. Now we're going to start edit already. I scared like tomorrow I cannot upload on time. We are going out to bakery, just like tea time. Just bringing my mom for a tea time date. To IKEA to get this table, because if you guys can see this one, like dapat already got a new one, white color. This table is just like for my editing. It's so easy because I just love to edit videos right in front of the TV and at the hall place, because it's easy lah, you know. It's been a week already without table, and if I want to wait for Sarah to repair or do whatever, it will take like years for him to do stuff. So I might as well just go and get a new one. Anyways, I'll show you guys. This is my mask strap. This one is like my favorite, my current favorite. Of course, everything is my favorite, but this one is like favorite. I love it because it's like bling bling, and it's just like very simple. It's just that today I wore something that it's not plain. If like it's plain, then it would be like perfect for bling bling, but I don't really care actually. It's like a bit camouflage, like you can't really see, so it's nice. One of the latest design as well. I really love the beads. It's like shiny bling bling. So yeah, tomorrow Monday will be good. It's gonna be a busy day because I need to go a lot of places and whatnot. So I'm gonna end the vlog now because I need to shower, and then I'm just gonna continue editing. It'll be boring lah, looking at me editing. There's nothing nice. That's it for weekend vlog. I really hope you guys enjoy the vlog, and yeah, as usual, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below. Let me know how's your weekend like. I need to know as well, right? We share one another, you know. That's like I'm watching you, no, heart to heart. Okay, bye.